Hello, I'm in UK, yeah. I'm working here as a computer programmer, or you can say software application developer. I know many languages, but I've used a very simple language of Microsoft Access to design a small EVM, because there's a lot of talk going on in India among Goans in Goa as well as here that the EVMs are being manipulated. We can read all those on newspapers and other things. Many guys will say, oh, this guy is sitting in UK and thinking of all those things and doing things. Well, no. Being a programmer, I decided to check out how EVMs can be manipulated. As I just showed, they're here on the computer, my own computer, and I'm going to show you how exactly the EVMs are being manipulated. It's very simple. The EVMs are programmed, pre-programmed machines. They can hold the votes. That's the reason why I've developed here. There are four buttons. One Congress, one side BJP, then two independents. Now, the top ones, of course, this is not seen what you're doing. When you're doing something or when you're voting, it is not seen. But I've kept it open to see how things work after manipulation. As we can see here, the first counter is of BJP, where it will show the votes going there. It will go on adding up and piling up. The second is Congress. The third is independent 1. And the fourth one is independent 2. As we can see here, the first counter is of BJP, where it will show the votes going there. It will go on adding up and piling up. The second is Congress. The third is independent 1. And the fourth one is independent 2. These counters, on my part, I've kept, these are the counters, these are the votes. These counters are created only for 3 people out of these 4. Congress, independent 1 and independent 2. BJP, there's no need, because whatever is clicked on BJP will only go to BJP. Now, when the Congress counter reaches 5, the 6th vote will go into Congress, the 5 votes will be in BJP. Every time you click, it will go to BJP. So for every 5, the 6th vote will go into Congress. So that's how it's manipulated to take away Congress votes and dump into BJP. 5 votes and then 1. Every 5 clicks, 1 will be added to the Congress. Likewise here, independent. Every 3 clicks, which will show here 3. Once this reaches 3, the 4th one will go to him, the 3 will go here. Likewise, similar to this I've designed for 3. I've kept them on 3. In Congress I've kept on 5. And I'm going to show you now how it will work. And this is how the EVMs are manipulated. Either you believe or you don't believe. A lot of people say that the EVMs are manipulated. I don't know, but I too have a feeling, yeah, it could be. Because when BJP had no strength to stand, they got a lot of votes. It was more. Even AAP did not get a single seat, which is hard to believe. So hold on, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how this works. I mean how manipulations work here. Like I said, when this counter reaches on 5 clicks, this will be 5. The 5 votes will be in BJP. The 6th click will go here. Again, it will be reset to 0, it will go like that. Similar, these 3, independent. Whereas BJP, there is no counter, so it goes straight away there. This is not visible to human eyes, the clicks. I have just made it clear to show how it works, how many votes are taken out from them, how votings are manipulated using an EVM. Whereas in UK, we have ballot votes which are sure and 100% guaranteed. It's an advanced country, but still they keep the ballot votes, which is very nice. And it's a proper system, rather than these manipulated EVMs to show that they have won or winning. Okay, let me go to that. I'll get it closer to you so that you all can see the clicks. Alright, here I have to use a mouse. The mouse is used because this is not a touch screen of my laptop. But however, let's go to the first click of Congress. A voter goes in, clicks Congress, boom. the vote went to BJP. 1. Someone else came in. Click BJP. Boom. Yes, of course it went to BJP. Then again Congress 2. You can see the counter down here. What it's doing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th one goes to Congress. Whereas BJP goes on piling up its own. Now let's go to the independent one. As you can see, the counter is in the middle. Independent one, it goes to BJP, not to him. Again another independent, oh, boom, it went to BJP. 12, BJP's became 12, and it's just 3 here. Now the 4th one will go to the actual owner. The independent one person got 1 vote by losing 3 votes in manipulation. Likewise, we have independent 2 here. We just got these are invisible counters which I made visible, or they may not be there. 1, 2 goes to BJP here. You can see 3, and the 4th one went to the other thing. Likewise, if you go on clicking Congress, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th one again there, 2. Whereas BJP is 1, 2, it goes all. Whether you click 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it goes all on piling up in BJP. And the Congress same thing. Now, the counters go on there. You can see 3. Only on 3 it will go to the, and Congress on 6. Otherwise, it will remain there. So this is how it works. This is how the EVMs are being manipulated. Okay, this is how I showed you. This is how the EVM machines can be manipulated. Are we really happy with that? I don't know. I may be wrong. A lot of people will be abusing. A lot of people use Goans back in Goa. They use abusive words towards the Goans who are in UK. They use all sorts of wrong words openly, sometimes on you can say like on YouTube or Facebook, which is uncontrolled, controlled to only those who talk against the BJP or the politicians in general and expose them. Whereas they keep on abusing the Goans, especially back in Goa, they keep on abusing those Goans who are in UK. Why? We are here in UK because it's a good life, proper, decent and proper life. There are no manipulations here. These manipulations, if you expose, I'm not saying that it's 100% manipulated, but it could be, because almost it's a talk of the town, or you can say talk of the whole of India, that EVMs are being manipulated. I've read that on Facebook, I've read that on YouTube and so many places. Whereas, now you all might be saying, oh, this guy is sitting in UK and talking about all these things. Why is he interested? Yes, I agree, I'm not eligible to vote in India. I'm not eligible, or I don't have a voting rights in India. Yes, because of my nationality, yeah, okay. Fair enough, but at least you've got. You have to think of yourself. Don't get these corrupt people up like that by just letting them do what they want. By manipulating the EVMs or anything, take care of yourself. Get some good people. Have the ballot votes. Fight for ballot votes. Ask them to do the ballot votes. And get proper people elected. It's you who is going to suffer. It's you, all of you, who are going to suffer. It's not just us abusing us and saying things is okay. But whereas I've shown here, if this is true, then I'm 100% sure the EVMs are manipulated. If I can do this, I'm just a programmer. I know about 6 languages. Okay. But in Goa and in India, you have lots more of programmers who are much more intelligent than me, much more clever and much more better programmers. So they can tell you all this, and I'm sure they can do and manipulate the EVMs. BJP can get hold of somebody who is a good programmer, and ask them to manipulate this. Well, it's all a programming thing. So don't rely too much on this. The rest is up to you. I know, after seeing this video, I would really be happy because you all watched the video. But just think, if I can do this small thing, I did it in Microsoft Access, a simple thing I used. If I can do it, I'm 100% sure EVMs can be manipulated. That I can guarantee. If I can do this on the computer screen, my laptop or my PC screen, certainly it can be done on the EVM machines. It's not far. It's a program. Machines are programmed to hold the votes. Here I have shown how things work. If I can do this, anybody can do it. This is just one way of trying to prove that EVMs can be manipulated. I did it. I did the program of showing how things can be manipulated. It's up to you all to believe it or not. Choose your own road. Choose your own nice road to carry you all to the future. Don't just get lost. Whether you all hate me, don't like me, it's up to you all. Just for talking out or blurting out all these things. Hatred is within hearts. Just put water on it, wipe it out, and think of yourselves. All the best. Get some good people to rule you all. Get some good rulers. Educated, without any crime, no criminal records. Maybe the minimum education, but at least yes, no criminal records and no bullies. Elect yourself some decent and good people. A lot of them jump from here to there and it becomes a mess. Good luck. Thank you. Have a nice life.